Hi everyone. I had to stop in quick and thank everybody for living through that horrible quality video. Here we go. I filed. Look at that little pearly top coat. Well, it's not top coat, the overlay. That's lovely. And tiny bits of glitter. Turned out so cute. My favorite though, I just love the berries. The ruby berries. That is by far my favorite. So cute. I love them. All right, you guys. So going forward, I'm going to try to plan one live thing a month. And I'll do some kind of like poll on my Facebook page so we can decide what you guys want to see live and be able to ask questions about and stuff. But the biggest change I'm going to make is we're going to do it from my Facebook page because I tried it over there. We can go live from there. So I feel like that's just the safer way to go, being I can't control the quality on YouTube. At least not until I get more subscribers because they won't let me do it till I have 1,000. So anyway, thank you so much for coming, watching, having conversation. Make sure you comment on the day 25 video so that you can win the big prize pack because it's lots of goodies. Have a super great Christmas, you guys, and I'll be uploading a video on Christmas Day. Bye.